this is a real account, okay? So I'm not kidding, guys. Yo, what's up, team? I hope you all guys having a great time. In this video, I want to show you how I made a $500,000 in like 2 months or something like this. Let me show you the statistics. So I started the account with a balance of $1 million on the 27th of January, as you can see. And yeah, guys, this is a real account, okay? So I'm not kidding, guys. But what I want to show you today, what we have today is the March, the weekend, Sunday, March, the 15th of March. So okay, let me show you. What I really want to show you is my wins and my losses. Okay, because it is very important for you guys to understand that the key to success in this industry is to keep your losses small and to let your good trades run. So we need small losses, small wins, and big wins. So 13,000 on this account is 1.3% maximum risk, 1.3.5% maximum risk per trade. This was the maximum loss on this account, okay? So now let's scroll down. The loss is getting smaller. Then we have some closing pending orders. Then we have wins, small wins. Okay, small wins. Bigger wins, as you can see. And then now it's getting interesting, guys. Now it's getting interesting. 15,000, 15,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25, 27, 50, 54, 58, 60,000, 66,000 was the best one. So yeah, this is what we do in the Genius Trading team, guys. And if you want to learn how we do this, then you should really check out genius-trading.com. and get the course, all right? Join our community and learn from us. We know how to ride these waves. Become a surfer. Learn how to ride these waves, guys. Get the course. Let's get it. Peace out. I'm Raphael Palmdale, and I wish you a great day. Peace.
Stuck in the money train, finding nature. Life independent, baby, kind of major. Shoot with later, in the makeup,